So welcome back guys to TJ Singh videos, where I bring you tech and lifestyle videos almost every week. And in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the air filters of a split air conditioner by just using this brush in a minute or so. You don't need to get wet or anything like that. So we are going to do this right now. So first of all, you're going to open up this cover right here. So you're going to see these latches on either side. So we're going to open up the cover from these two sides, and right now you can see you can simply lift it up so that you can lock them in place so that the cover doesn't come downwards like this. You can see now it's resting on the place. So these are the filters right here. In split air conditioner we have two filters, so you can see it is a mess right now. It's a lot more dirty, so we're going to remove the second one as well. So this is our second air filter as well. So these both are really dirty, you can just see right now, and we are going to clean them off without any kind of water or without getting wet. So guys, these are the filters right here, and what you're going to do is just clean the filter with the brush like this thoroughly, and you will see that you don't need any kind of water or any kind of worry to get wet. So you can see it is a lot more clean. So let me just show you other one. This is dirty right now and this one is clean. You can just see right now there is day and night of a difference, that I'm just simply cleaning them off like this with this brush, and the dirt is going away. So the best thing about this process is it just saves you time, a lot more time, and you don't have to get wet. It takes only a couple of minutes, a minute or so, not more than that. Just simply clean from both sides like this, and you can see we are done with the cleaning. But if there is a sticky dirt all over the filter which is not coming off, you can easily use the detergent to do that, but in my case there is no need to do that, and the filters are clean right now. So we're going to go and fix these filters right back in the air conditioner. So guys, before fixing the filters back, you can clean the fins with this brush like this so that the dirt can come off from the fins as well, and remove all the dirt particles, all the dust that you're seeing on the fins of the air conditioner and the body as well. Just remove all the dirt that you can do with the brush easily, not more than that. And once you are done, just install back these filters. So you can see they are super clean without making them wet or making us do the wet stuff, and you can easily fix them, and you can easily fix these filters right here. So guys, if you're not holding the camera and not making the video like this, it will take you a minute or so, at max 2 minutes. So now you're going to bring the cover down like this from these locks, and now just lock it like this. And now you are done. You have just cleaned the air filters of your split air unit, and now enjoy the cooling of this air conditioner. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos.